What's up everybody, and welcome to my channel. And as you probably know that we have been creating an API in Node.js, and we're gonna be implementing that for our web app that's gonna be also built in Node.js without using any third-party libraries. That's a cool thing about this tutorial series. Okay, now if you are new to this video and this channel, first please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And the second thing is, if you are watching this video for the first time, I highly recommend you to go to the first video and start from scratch. Otherwise, you may get confused and don't get anything beneficial. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, now in this tutorial, from now on, we're gonna be using Talent API Tester. I know in the last series we used this one as well, but most people use Postman, but I just recommend you to use one of them. Postman is not free, I think, but Talented API Tester Google extension, Chrome extension is free. And we have got this Postman. You can sign up and use that app to test your API that you're building. Now in this lesson we are going to talk about HTTP headers. And you might say, what is that? What are they? Well, HTTP headers are extra information that you can pass with HTTP request or HTTP response. So HTTP headers can be sent in both response and request. You can find these links in the description below, but before you jump onto that links, I think we should start coding. Now, to get the headers, that's really easy. We just use one line of code before we actually send the response. Create headers variable and let's set it to request.headers, which means we are getting the headers that the user or the client is sending to us. But we can send headers as well. We're not getting them, but in the further tutorials I think we're gonna be using that headers as well. Now we got the headers. Let's print that out on the console. So we use just headers, and before that I just put new line and put that headers. Now let's go back to Talent API Tester. As you can see from the last lesson, we got this HTTP URL. Now to add headers, just below there we have got our section and add header. For example, you can add fruit equals apple, or you can add another header, for example age 2 years old, or you can also add foo equals to bar. And now we have got 3 headers and we can send the post request for this URL. Now let me actually delete this query string because we don't need that, but we know how to use that from the last video, and we can send the request. If we send that, we haven't run the application, so let's run that. To run, as you already know, nodejs. We just type node and the file name. In this case we have got index.js, which is the main file for our application. Hit enter and it says I'm listening port 5000, and we just go there and send the request. And we go down, we see respond is okay, which means it's okay. Now we go to our terminal and we see that bunch of different information. First we have got empty query string and the method is post, of course, and we have got headers. Here we got host, localhost 5000, connection keep alive. These are the information that's gonna be added automatically, but the extra information we added there was foo equals to bar, age equals to 2, fruit equals to apple. The browser or the request itself adds extra information there. For example, origin is from the Chrome extension. That's also gonna be added simultaneously. So that's it guys, and if you want to show your respect, please like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. See you guys in the next videos.